What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download zip file from Google Drive. So as you can see here, I'm in Google Drive guys, and here is a zip file, and the easiest way to download this file is to simply right click on that and hit download. Now that's going to download this zip file from my Google Drive right onto my computer. In a moment you'll see it appear that it's downloading. As you can see, do a quick scan and then it's going to download the file here. And this file is on my computer. I can open location and this opens up on my second screen. Here's a file that I just downloaded, right? Now, what if the file is not yet in a zip file, but you want to be able to download it as a zip file? Now, there's two additional way how to go about downloading that. So what you want to do is go ahead and highlight a certain amount of files, and it's going to create, and Google Drive is going to automatically create a zip. And that's very easy. So how do you do it? It's just simple, go ahead and find those files. So let's say I go to this all folder here, right? And inside here, let's say I would like to download these two files. I can simply highlight them together and the simple right click and hit download, and it's going to start zipping. As you can see in the lower right hand side, it's zipping files, and then it's going to download those files to my computer. And you will see right here on my computer that it just creates a zip, and right here this is a zip file with those two files. I can double click and open, and you see that these are the two files, right? So that's another way how to download zip file. So what if you have files on your Google Drive that you would like to simply make a zip file, and then you can download them? You don't necessarily want to download them into a zip, but you would like to make a zip file from that. Very easy as well. You want to go ahead and find those files that you want to download, that you want to create a zip file for. So let's say these are the files. You can select any one at first, right click, and then you want to go open with. Then you have the option that says zip extractor. If you click on that, if you're opening zips, if you're accessing zip extractor for the first time, you will need to accept some terms, and give access your current Gmail account to kind of give access to this zip extractor to Google Drive, right? So what you're here now, guys, all you have to do, you'll have that first file there, and you can continue by adding more files to Google Drive, to this spot. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and find additional files. And to do that, you can simply go ahead and click the three dots here, and you can go ahead and click on edit. And here you will see the option that says add from drive. Click on that. It's going to take you into your path, and you can find where those different files are on Google Drive. So you'll have this section here for search. You can click the drop down and you can search between paths or whatever it is to find those files. So let's say I want to add some image as an example. I can do that, and I can find, for example, this Range Rover here, right? Or I can simply clear it out and just scroll through and find something. So I'm going to simply choose as an example this Word document here, right? To add to it. Click on it, click select. The thing that you want to know as well, that you are not able to add multiple files at once. So if you want to add more files, just simply click again, add from drive. So let's say I choose this link to CSV. I can select it, and it's going to prepare and add those files. So now I have 3 files. No, you can also name what you want that zip file to be, and it's not quite obvious, but if you look right above the file which is currently zip with a name, you see that there's a name. You can click on that and you can rename that file. So let's say I would like this to be, I don't know, my zip, right? Let's name it that. So it's gonna be my zip.zip. Then once you name that, click on that, click off rather, and then simply click on done. Now it's going to highlight all of those files for you, and you simply can do 2 things. You can download zip, which is going to download directly to your computer. As you can see, just does that. Or you can save this directly to your drive. So simply click save to drive. You can always go there and you can modify a location and so forth, but you can always move this a bit later. All you have to do, just simply click save to drive, and it's going to save this to drive. And as you can see, it shows some location, so you can click on that and you can see, right? Now, if you want to go back to your drive to find, you just simply open up that drive window, right? And you will see the path where you take that first file from, that it is there. And here's the my zip.zip file. So I can double click on that as well. And as you can see, it shows a file that is inside. Now, once you make that zip file, you can always download it as the same. So simple right click and hit download. And that's gonna download that zip file to your computer. So you learn many things here in this tutorial, guys. How to download a zip file, how to create a zip file, and how to simple grab a bunch of files from Google Drive and download them all at once in zip file. If you find value within this video, guys, give this video a like. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're new to the channel, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, because this really helps this channel to grow. And of course, I'll greatly appreciate that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.